Hey, middle school team, I'm so excited to be visiting again and sending a video about Workshop Week. It's hard to believe that we're going to launch into 21-22 here shortly. It feels like just a little while ago I was closing out the year, but we are excited that we're all going to be back together and we've been working hard. Please thank your leadership team. They've spent a lot of time together talking about how we make it a great experience for middle schoolers and how do we change some things that we get to know each other and build a culture for our students and staff a little differently than we were able to do during the 2021 school year. One of those things that we're going to do is just get to know each other a little bit better. We have an information sheet that we're going to ask you to fill out and put a picture of yourself so it looks like this, or mine looks like this. Each classroom will have a protector outside their door, and we will put some up for paras as well by the library. Office personnel will have it by their door as well, and you will fill out information about yourself. So you can see mine, pretty easy stuff. You have a choice of 3 of those to choose or to decide what you want on it. And so you can see these, they're in the s'more. Choose the one that makes the most sense for you. Okay, make sure to put a current picture of you, your family, whatever you want on that. We do want those up for open house night on Wednesday, and so you do have some time Tuesday to complete it, but please make sure that it's in the sleeve by your door on Wednesday morning. The next piece that we are working to share what we were like in middle school, or at least what we looked like. And so we're going to put up a collage of all of our pictures outside the media center and share what we looked like. And so you need to bring in a picture of you in middle school. We are fairly resourceful if you don't bring it. We promise to hunt down the worst one we can find of you. So please bring it to Kristen. She will not keep it. She's just going to scan it in and we'll get the collage up and ready to go. Also, we want that up for Wednesday. So you need a middle school picture, and then you need to complete the information sheet on you, and we will make sure, or please put it inside of the plastic sleeve that you have outside your door, or you will have outside your door hopefully Monday afternoon. Other than that, I think there's all kinds of things that are happening next week. We have some PLC time and some PLC training, some get to know you time, and there's just a lot of information in that nuts and bolts session that we're going to spend on what is new to middle school and what kinds of things might have changed or have hopefully gotten better. We also have some student ambassadors that are going to join us on Wednesday, and those students, they're here. Those students are going to help welcome our new students and spend some time around getting people acclimated to our building. So please thank them for donating their time. We're super excited about that as well. All right. I hope you enjoy your last weekend before school starts or before we start workshops, and take some time for you. We'll see you soon, guys. Take care.